I just want to show a couple of things that you can do with the Google Drawing math lessons. For circling 10 ones, you would come up here to where it says select line, click, go down to scribble, click, and then have your student count 10 ones and circle. And as soon as I stop, it makes the line a little bigger, but I want to show you another option. You can come up here to where it says line weight, click, and if you want to make the line even thicker, then you can determine how thick the line would be. So that's another option. That's if you want it really thick. If you want it to be a different color, you can go up here to line color and click and change the color of the line. And then if you have 3 ones, you have 10 ones and 3 ones. So when you write the 3, once you change it, it's also going to be the same width and the same color as where you changed the first one. Well, let's say I want my 3 to not be so thick. Maybe I want it to be a different color. I would simply come right up here as soon as I wrote 3, make the width smaller, and let's say I want a different color, then I can change the color. And then to draw 10 ones and 6 ones, what I would need to do is come up here to the cursor, click right here, and you'll see there's already a text box that has been inserted. So instead of actually having to draw the ones, you would come up here to insert, click, come down to special characters, click. You can type in what object you would like to draw. So let's say I want to draw a circle. I would click right here where it says search by keyword, and I'm going to type in the word circle. And you see it gives me all kinds of circles. All right, I just want to use the plain medium white circle. So I click and it puts a circle right there. So this is kind of in the way. So what I need to do is just drag it over here out of the way. And then I can add all of my circles. So you may have to come right back up here and click in that text box in order to add another circle. But once you click on your cursor in that box, you can come over here and you can add 10 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, let's say that I want to do a group of 5 and then another group of 5 to make 10. I don't want all of my ones to be in a straight row. All right, I can undo the ones I don't need, and then I got to come back and add a 1. So in order to click, and that's a 5 group right there. So in order to go down and put 5 below, I click back over here on the cursor and then I mash enter and it moves the line down. And now I can come over here and add 5 more circles. So I have 5 and I keep counting 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now I need 6 ones. So again, I would come over here and click on that cursor to move it down. And I'm going to I want to drop it a little bit further below the top ones. And then I'm going to add 6 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I still want to keep within the 5 group. And then I'll click on that cursor so that I can add 1 more. And now I have 10 ones and 6 ones. And this is just another option that might make it a little easier to put the 10 objects and then 6 more objects. This is optional, but I did want to show you that these options are here. And of course, when you finish, all you have to do is come right up here and click on that X to go back to your classroom. And then all you'd have to do is turn it in. And so I would just recommend that before you turn in, make sure that it saved it. It should save it, but just make sure. And that just shows you a couple of more options for using Google Drawings. Thank you.